Good day, ma'am and sir. My name is Maricel Matoseño. I am 34 years of age, single. I have 3 children, age 17, 13, and 2 years old. My hobbies are cooking, cleaning the house, and gardening. I have work experience here in the Philippines as a household worker. They are 4 members of the family, 2 adults and 2 children, age 35, 31, 7, and 2 years old. I worked there for 2 years. My main work there are the household chores like cleaning, washing, ironing clothes, cooking, marketing, gardening, teaching their kids, sending them in the school. Ma'am, sir, if you choose me, I promise to be honest, hardworking, trustworthy, flexible, and also promise to finish my 2 years contract. Ma'am, sir, thank you, and I'm looking forward to work with you as soon as possible.